Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by securing what matters: bookmarks, saved passwords, and any synced data. Once done, make sure your new Google credentials and any two-step backup codes are accessible. Now open Chrome or your browser and navigate to Accounts. Google.com. Sign out of the current account using the Profile menu in the top right. This immediately stops sync for the existing profile and lets you prepare the laptop for the switch without losing local data that hasn't yet been backed up. Next, add the new account through the profile icon. Choose Add or Manage People and create a new profile tied to your alternate Google account. Sign in and explicitly enable sync for bookmarks, history, passwords, and extensions you want preserved. Make sure two-step verification completes. Approve prompts or enter a backup code. If passwords or extensions don't appear automatically, go to Passwords and Extension settings to import or reinstall them. Because different profiles, separate data by design. Finally, confirm everything synced. Open bookmarks, autofill, and extensions to verify the new account is active. Switch desktop apps like Drive and Backup and sync to the new account, and reauthorize permissions if prompted. If you run into problems signing in, such as blocked two-step verification, use backup codes or begin Google account recovery on a secondary device. If Chrome still shows the old profile, remove that profile from Manage People after confirming all data is transferred to avoid confusion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.